welcome back to the channel, my lovely people. Welcome back. So today is Thursday. Today is Thursday, and I hope you guys are having a blessed, prosperous day and that everything is going your way. And if not, it's okay. Tomorrow will be a better day. I am going to be sharing with you today some a elegant centerpiece that you can use as home decor, or you can use it as a centerpiece at a celebratory event this spring/summer. I know that graduation is upon us. I know that people are celebrating birthdays, anniversaries. There are family reunion cookouts, all kind of celebratory events, weddings, and all that kind of stuff. So with that being said, I want to share some of these wonderful ideas with you guys. So do know that it is budget friendly, easy to recreate. So I'm gonna jump in the video with you guys. Most of these pieces are all from the Dollar Tree, except for the string lights that you will see me use. They are from Target's Bullseye Spot, and they were $3 per pack, and you get like a string with several on there, so it's $3, okay? So yeah, I think that's pretty much it. So let's get started with today's video. Don't forget to like, share with your family, your friends, your coworkers. Did I say that already? I don't know, but I'm saying it again. Share with everybody, you guys. Sharing is caring, and I know that you care. Also, like the video. Leave a comment below. Let me know what you think about the video and what you would like to see next, okay? We love you guys, and we will see you in the next one. Don't forget to thumbs it up. Bye-bye. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I am going to share with you 10 different looks or styles using this candlestick holder and these globe candle holders as well. It's going to be a variety of different things, different options. It's just for inspiration. So where I am using hot glue, you can also add in permanent glue. I'm just not going to talk through every style because it's pretty self-explanatory if you just pay close attention. And this is very budget friendly, you guys, because these items, like I said before, are purchased from the Dollar Tree, so very inexpensive. And I hope that you can draw some inspiration from these very low-key and budget-friendly centerpieces that you can use at celebratory events on the tables. You can use or make several of them, or you could just do one. I mean, you could add to it, you could take away from it. You guys, be very creative. Enjoy the show, and I hope you guys do share the video and leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. I love you guys, and I will see you in the next video. Peace, love, and blessings. Bye bye.
I can feel your heart racing, 'cause everybody knows, yeah, everybody knows. And I can feel your body shaking at every single touch. That's just how it goes. That's just how it goes. I find it so hard being addicted to your love. I find it so hard being addicted to your time. I find it so hard knowing that you are just my drug. And I find it so hard knowing you treated me like a mark. We ain't gotta talk about it right now, 'cause every time we talk about it, you stare at the floor. Give me the stars like I thought right now. You gotta go back. We ain't gotta talk about it right now, 'cause every time we talk about it, you stare at the floor. Give me the stars like I thought right now. You gotta go back. I can feel your heart racing, 'cause everybody knows, yeah, everybody knows. And I can feel your Why were you acting suspiciously? You said that you needed some room to breathe, and all I ever wanted was your honesty. I just don't know what to believe. Just don't lie to me. I can't feel your reason, 'cause everybody knows. Everybody knows. And I feel your body shaking of every single touch. And that's just how it goes. That's just how it goes.
Don't know where we're gonna fly like you did sometimes. Seeing eyes of mine. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll try to fix it. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll change it, change it. Seeing eyes of mine, you see, there are no trees inside of me. In this desert, I can look at you with love. Seeing all that I can learn. Can you stay and I will grow, grow the hanging gardens of Babylon. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll fix it, fix it. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but we'll change it, change it. I would like to tell you
Okay, DIYers, that is the end of this video. I appreciate each and every last one of you who were able to stay to the end. I hope you was inspired by all of the wonderful DIYs. If you were, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.